I'm joined in the studio by international relations expert Dr. Emmanuel Navon. Emmanuel, thank you. Firstly, how serious are these latest developments?
Well, it is pretty serious. The question is, how often do these cases happen? Is it a one-time phenomenon, or is it a widespread phenomenon? I think the fact that it was revealed by the media first of all, goes to show the importance of a free and independent media, of a fearless media and fearless journalist. And I think also it kind of weakens the claim that there's a collusion between the media and the judicial system against Netanyahu, because obviously many journalists do not like Netanyahu, it's obvious. But obviously this was revealed by a journalist, and therefore it is hard to make the case that there's some kind of collusion between the media and the judiciary, in that case at least. So there is going to be an inquiry, maybe a criminal one, by the Attorney General and the state prosecutor. Obviously both this judge and the lawyer representing the security authority are going to lose their jobs and going to be replaced. It's going to take some time, but obviously it doesn't mean that the case is going to be dropped. It just means that the people in charge of it are going to be replaced.
So, like you said, very severe ramifications.
Yes, I mean, the question here, obviously, the Prime Minister is definitely, and his advisors and his speakers are going to use this case to try and make the claim that the whole system is corrupt and is after him. And again, the importance here, that's why it's so important for the Attorney General and for the Minister of Justice to really suspend and fire those two people, take care of this, open an investigation, as I said, maybe probably a criminal investigation, and replace them, because the fact that this unacceptable case took place does not mean that case 4000 has to be dropped, and it still needs to be investigated. It
is shocking, isn't it? You know, how can the public then go on to trust?
Yes, but you know what? It's true. It is shocking, but many people say, you know, it does happen many times that, you know, the lawyer knows the judge, you know, they were in school together, they've been friends for years. It happens all the time. What happened here is that it was revealed by a journalist. And it also goes to show that in an era of social media, of WhatsApp, everything is immediate. So you had this journalist sitting behind the lawyer in court, apparently, and took a picture of his smartphone, and then it went viral. So these things today are immediate, and I think it goes to show that you have to be extremely careful. You have to be extremely careful today what you do, what you say, which is good in a way, because thanks to social media, all these unacceptable practices are revealed immediately. And I guess it's good that it happened, because now people maybe will be more careful.
And be held accountable.
Absolutely.
Thank you. We'll come back to you after.